guys, I want to show you how to make sure you use the correct formatting when we go through this next section. It's a little bit different, but not really. So here's what I did. On the top of the page, you're going to see I've put blank formulas here. They're all formatted for you. You can copy and paste them as needed. I have copied and pasted them within the assignment. So you might not need to copy and paste, but if you need more copies of it or whatever, if you deleted, whatever. If you prefer the insert equation option, that's fine too. But I was trying to avoid that. So just to help you out a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this example with you, and this is the one that's on the document, so you'll see it. So up here, you're going to fill in A, B, and C. I've already done that for you. Then down here, you're actually going to go into my formula and delete B and put -6 in, because I got that from right there. And then you're going to delete B and put -6 in. And you're going to delete A and put a 5 there. Make sure you delete out the letters. I shouldn't see any letters in your answers. And I'm going to put all the letters in there. So that's my first thing. Then I'm actually going to, so I'm going to do it again. I'm going to put the -6 in here. I'm going to put the A in, which was a 5. Then I'm actually going to use my calculator, and I'm going to replace the word discriminant after I calculate the discriminant with the discriminant, which is 1/16 in this case. And then on my own sheet of paper, I'm going to factor tree this doodad down, that 1/16, and see what it is. This -6 becomes a +6. If I get my cursor there. Oh, I deleted the whole thing. Let me try that again. Double click. Double click. Why is it not working? Okay, that's really weird. Okay, apparently I have to mess with it a little bit. So I'm going to make that a 6, and then when I do my factor tree on my own paper, and whatever numbers I get, so the outside number when I did it was 2, because I got a pair of 2s, so I circled that. And then the inside number is 29. And like I said, if you go in here, you can just replace all of this, which is kind of nice. You notice it didn't work perfectly the first time I tried it. Just keep trying. So then I have this, and I know I'm going to ignore this thing right here, this square root of 29, and just look at 6, 2, and 10. And what goes into 6? Well, into 6, I'm going to try to fix this for you guys to make sure it works. Into 6, 2, and 10, the number 2 goes into it. So that becomes a 3. If you want to make that a 1, you can, but you don't have to. And then the n stays at 29 there. And then, like I said, I'm just replacing the variables with the numbers. So that is my final answer. Now, that's kind of what you're going to do for each one. And like I said, they're up here. If you want to copy and paste it, it looks like I'm able to click into this one a little better. I don't know why I wasn't able to click into this one. Well, now I can. It's just being a little wonky. It might just be my computer. But anyway, so yeah, that's what you're going to do. You're going to type everything in. I tried to make it as easy as possible so that I can still see your work. Each assignment's only 3 problems because I know that's a lot of typing. So just bear with me and get those done. There's not a ton. You have to do 6 for the whole week and then the quiz. So it's not, well, 8 if you count the ones after the video you did yesterday. So good luck. Let me know if you have questions.